In times like these, when the world seems to shake at its foundations, it's the right moment to seek a financial awakening. The global picture, economically, financially, and demographically, is far from complete. And the usual advice? Bonds, gold, government securities, and so-called safe assets. They might not be so safe anymore. It's time to break free from habits and assumptions. This era demands more than passive investing. It demands that we learn to read both micro and macroeconomic movements, to understand politics and policy, and to recognize that popular opinion isn't always the truth. Research widely. Listen critically. But in the end, own your decision. Because financial education is no longer optional. It's survival. Throughout history, certain countries didn't just survive economic shocks. They adapted and emerged stronger. Switzerland thrived on neutrality and sound monetary policy. Singapore built global influence through trade, technology, and trust.
Germany endured by producing real value and saving more than it spent.
Canada balanced resource wealth with a disciplined financial system. South Korea turned IMF collapse into global tech dominance.
Norway transformed oil wealth into future-proof sovereign funds.
What do these economies have in common? Strong institutions, disciplined saving, low debt, innovation, and public trust. Not every economy collapses in a downturn. Not every sector bleeds. Some sectors gain strength when the world weakens. Food and agriculture, people always eat. Healthcare, physical and mental well-being become top priorities. Energy and utilities, nations don't function without them. Essential retail, cheap, reliable goods matter more. Online education, people invest in themselves when jobs disappear. Digital infrastructure, everything moves online. These are not luxury economies. They are resilience economies. My portfolio isn't built on guesses. It's built on conviction. Economies I trust. Sectors that solve real problems. Companies that grow through discipline, not hype. I hold gold because timeless value matters. I hold some crypto because the future often begins in uncertainty. But more than anything, I invest in my knowledge. I protect my health. I train myself to think beyond the noise. Because wealth is more than money. It's about having clarity when the world is in chaos. Don't follow the crowd. Don't trust blindly. Learn, question, decide. The next crash won't be about banks or budgets. It'll be about who's prepared to lead when systems fail. And I'm not just building wealth. I'm building resilience. This is Reborn Brotherhood. We don't wait for safety. We create it.